I have a couple of questions on Ethiopian languages that you could possibly make a video on. I've heard of Tigre, but what is the difference between that and Tigrinya? Okay, the Tigrinya ethnic group speak the language called Tigrinya, and they are in Eritrea, but also in the northern part of Ethiopia, in the region of Tigray. The Tigre ethnic group are found in Eritrea, and they speak the Tigre language, or the name of the language in Tigre is Tigrayit. The confusion can come from the fact that in Amharic, one of the most spoken language in Ethiopia, the people from Tigray are also referred as Tigre. So when you hear about the Tigre people, you have to figure out what language the person is speaking, or what background they have, or who they're referring to, and so confusing. And fun fact, in Italian, Spanish, and Portuguese, tigre means tiger.
Culture is cool.